beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading bull man crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 and we are on 5-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend Meoka trading indicator. This had been an uptrend, got to this region, pull back, and of course went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and it has got into this resistance zone. Okay, it has not been able to break out above it, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, might need to sell till it get to this support zone. Even if it will try, it will be trying it out again. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, going to be more of a selling at the moment. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500 and this has been on a very strong downtrend. It just need to break out below this support zone. Once it is broken, then definitely it will keep on selling. Okay, this particular support zone is where it is going to. Okay, once it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling until the next support zone. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we are seeing it, this had been on a very strong uptrend, but it got to this resistance zone and was unable to go beyond it, so it has been crashing till then. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This has been on a very strong uptrend and it will be buying more. Okay, to still be buying more because it still needs to, it hasn't gotten, I mean it is yet to get to the resistance zone. Okay, it will buy till it get to this level, even if it's going to play around for a while before breaking out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It has been on a very strong buy trend, got to this resistance zone, pull back, so it will be trying out the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it will go back into down, I mean it will continue to buy, but if it does not, it will go back into a downtrend. So this is going to be buying at the moment, more of a buying opportunity at the moment, except if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone. So this is very, very important. Make sure you follow the instructions and trade carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.